7.6% applications. Applications, okay? A street vendor buys bracelets from a manufacturer for $7 each. The vendor marks up the price by 150%. What's the retail price? How do you think we can solve that?
150 over 100, 7 over X.
150 over 100, 7 over X?
Yep.
Okay, that's a possibility. There's an easier way to do it.
Well, we use the, wait, hold on. The A equals percent time, no, not that one.
7, no, 0.7. I know it's a decimal, that's a decimal, I just don't want to say it, I'm sorry.
But what's the decimal, the $7 or the 150%?
It's $7.
No, I think it's
150%.
50%.
Oh, 150%.
And then you multiply 1.5 by 7, and
Good.
then you add that
Oh!
to 7.
So if you take the original price of $7, right?
Yep.
And add to it 1.5 times 7, because you want 150% markup, you're going to get what your retail price is, okay? So, what is that? What does that come out to?
$17.50.
$17.50? Yes. Because 7 times 1.5 is 10 and a half plus 7, so you get $17.50. So this street vendor buys the bracelet for $7, but then sells it for a $10.50 profit.
Ooh,
Making good money, huh?
yeah, that's a good way to do it.
Wait, where do you get the 10 from?
Because 1.5 times 7 is 10 and a half.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, so you have to like make that out.
Yeah.
That's the one.
You have to make the percent, yes, a decimal. Yep, yep. Okay, you buy an electronic organizer that is on sale for 15% off the original price of $25. What is the sale price?
So
Yes,
you
three.
would do,
15 over 100.
Point 15.
Yeah,
would you do,
point 15,
I would.
Those.
point 15,
Then you put the
Times.
things around it.
yeah.
times,
25.
Math, go ahead.
25, and then you put 25 outside.
Okay, now, I'm putting 25 outside here.
Plus.
Am I subtracting or adding to this?
Subtracting.
Subtracting, because it's off. So I'm subtracting from the original amount, the 0.15 times 25. So 0.15 times 25 is $3.75, okay? What's $25 minus $3.75? What do we do?
22.75.
21.
21.
21.75.
$21.25, good. So the new price that you're paying with 15% off is $21.25. Does that make sense? Now Matthew, you try the next one. The bill for your restaurant meal is $22. You leave a 15% tip and the sales tax is 6%. What is the total cost of your meal?
Start with the $22
Yes,
plus
plus, okay.
parentheses. 0.15 times 22 times 0.06, wait, oh. Is it 0.6?
What, Caitlin?
Can you add on the 6%?
Yeah, you can add on the 6%. Plus 0.06 times 22.
Oh.
Good. So 0.15 times 22 is $3.30. And 6% times 22 is $1.32. And then I would just add $3.30, $1.32, and 22 together, and you get that your bill is $26.62. Yes.
So, do you add the tax, then take the 15%, or are you taking
Ooh.
6% out of the 22 and 15?
Taking it separately. Taking it separately. So you find 6% of the overall bill, and you find 15% of the overall bill, and add those together.
Just do, 0.15 times 22 and then 0.06 times 22 and on your tax and then your tip.
That's what we did. 0.15 times 22 was $3.30.
Wait,
0.06 times 22 is $1.32.
Why did you add? Oh, you found your phone, okay.
Yeah.
never mind.
Okay,
Do you move your decimal point over twice
twice.
to the
Mhm.
left? And it comes
To
to
the-
percentage?
No, when it is a percent and you need it to be a decimal, yes, you move it twice to the left.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, last one. Yeah, you can try. A furniture store marks up the wholesale price of a desk lamp by 80%. The retail price is $35. What's the wholesale price?
80 times 35. Well, no, it. 0.80 times 35. No, outside you part it 35.
Nope,
No,
nope. This one's tricky.
not exactly.
What is the price they're charging when they're selling it right now?
35.
$35. Is that,
That's
Bless you.
Bless you. They're charging $35 currently, okay? That is the total, with it marked up.
Oh.
When they say that they're selling at retail, that means that's the marked up price. So I need to work backwards.
So you would,
Times the other side?
35 times 0.80.
Stop. You are not multiplying 35 by 0.80. Listen. This is the price already marked up 80%. Stop. It is the price marked up 0.80% already. It's already been multiplied by that to get 35.
But couldn't you then multiply it by that and subtract that number from 35?
Do you subtract 0.80 by
Why?
number 35?
So you're trying to find the price of what it was before it was marked up?
Yes.
Was it $7?
Was it, so you're just giving me an answer, was it $7? Nope. What, Matthew?
Would you find 80% of 35?
Listen, 80% is the marked up price, okay? That means, okay, if I marked it up by 80%, that means I added an extra 80% to an already 100% product, yes?
So it'd be 180%.
So it'd be 180% is what you have to think. So, $35 equals, we don't know how much it cost, times 180%. Because it was 100 times of this and 80 times of this. Like, do you get what I'm saying? So it's 180%, so I have to work backwards. How do I solve from here?
Well, you divide by 180.
You divide by 1.8, right?
Yeah, you know.
What's 35 divided by 1.8?
19.4.
Good, 19.4, so we'll just round,
1.8.
we'll just round it to 19.44.
Oh.
So the wholesale price of the lamp is $19.44. The retail price is $35, the wholesale price is $19.44.
They really sell it for that much more.
Why would you pay $35 for a lamp though? That's
I'd rather go to
Yeah, that's a
Goodwill.
lot of money.
I agree,
Like,
but.
is it even
And usually
a,
then I
is
would
it
pay
even a
for
green one?
Okay, so these are gonna be the tricky ones, the ones where it talks about wholesale and retail. You're gonna have to start thinking a little bit differently on those, okay?
So how do we get the water lamp?
Because Gabby, it was marked up 80%, which means we have to recognize that it was already 100% whole,
Why is it 1.8 again?
plus another 80%,
That's what
that's
she's
how you get
explaining.
the one in there.
Yeah, I understand this as a dollar.
But can you say that again? Like why the 1.8?
So
Okay,
it says
I'm going to repeat this one more time, listen. The reason that it is 1.8 or 180% is because it starts off as 100% of what it is, yes? Plus, it got marked up 80%. That's how I get the
Oh.
180. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay.